This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Levine. Bright open versatile floor plan. Move right in. Features new Pella Windows, HVAC, hot water tank plus newer refrigerator. Washer/dryer new in 2017. Wonderful sunroom looks out onto private backyard. The living room has a cathedral ceiling and open to the dining room for easy entertaining. The eat-in kitchen opens to the family room and has a double-sided fireplace. Large primary bedroom suite features a cathedral ceiling, huge walk-in closet and bathroom with double sinks, shower and jacuzzi. This lovely home was built for easy living and maintenance. Original owner has done all the right things to make this the perfect home. Greenspring Plantation offers wonderful amenities: pool, clubhouse, golf, tennis, walking trails, restaurant, playground, activities throughout the year for everyone. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Levine at 757-810-8624.